In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Google Sheets. Perhaps you've been using dark mode for its eye-saving benefits during late-night work sessions, but now you want to switch back to the traditional, bright interface. While dark mode can be soothing, sometimes it simply isn't optimal for what you're doing, especially when collaborating on documents that require a clear distinction of colored data cells. Thankfully, switching back to the regular mode is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open up the Google Sheet you've been working on or any sheet you have available. If you haven't pinned this to your bookmarks, you can simply navigate to Google Sheets through your Google Drive or type Google Sheets into your browser search bar and select the document you need. Once you have your desired sheet open and ready, preferably on your desktop or laptop for ease of navigation, you'll find yourself facing the dark mode interface if it's currently enabled. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar of your Google Sheet. There, you'll see several options such as File, Edit, View, and so on. You're looking for the Extensions tab, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to the extensions and add-ons you can use in conjunction with Google Sheets. Within this Extensions dropdown, look for the option that allows you to manage or explore additional features. This is typically labeled as More Options, or something similar depending on your setup. Click on that, and a new menu will unfold, providing you with a list of options related to the active extensions you may have installed on your Google Chrome browser. Now, the critical step. Once you've navigated through the options and located the list of these extensions, you should find the one associated with enabling dark mode if it's been installed as an add-on. Click on Remove from Chrome. This should effectively disable the dark mode feature for Google Sheets. Once you've completed the removal process, you can return to your Google Worksheet. To apply the changes you've made, you'll need to refresh the page. Simply click the refresh icon on your browser or press the F5 key. This reloads your sheet, and voila! You should now be greeted with the bright and familiar layout of Google Sheets Light Mode. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and it helps you switch to the setup that best suits your needs. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.